Ecwid is an embeddable e-commerce platform perfect for dropshipping. Sell without inventory via apps like Syncki, Printful, or Wholesale 2B. It's free for up to 10 products. Starts at $21 per month for more. 1. Sign up and set up store. Go to ecwid.com, sign up with email, choose free plan, add products manually, or connect apps. Control panel, apps, search Syncki for suppliers. 2. Integrate dropshipping suppliers. Install Syncki app, free tier, connect to Alibaba, AliExpress, import products, search, add to store with one click. For print on demand, install Printful or Printify. Design custom items, tees, mugs, sync to Ecwid, customize, edit titles, prices, for example, $10 cost, $25 sell, descriptions, images. 3. Embed and launch store. Embed on website, WordPress, Wix, or use Ecwid's site builder. Set shipping, suppliers handle, and payments, Stripe, PayPal. 4. Manage orders, customer buys, order auto sends to supplier. They fulfill, ship, track in Ecwid dashboard. Payouts, funds to your PayPal or bank minus fees, 2 to 5%.